Okay, so this is our question 1 practice question for our oblique views. As we mentioned, oblique is just our making something 3D using a 45-degree line projected back. So for this question, it's page 166, question 1 in the textbook to discover graphics. Okay, we have the elevation already set up. For this question, we don't need to set up the plan. As I mentioned, the question doesn't ask us for the plan, so we're not going to set it up. We're just going to go straight in with our elevation. Once you've got that set up, all we're going to do is project our lines back at our 45-degree angle. I'm just going to project them all back here nice and long in construction lines. There are, of course, some of them that we don't need to project back too far, or some of them that we don't need to project back at all. We're told that the width of the drawing from the plan view is 50 millimeters. So we're going to set the compass to 50, just to make sure we're doing everything right, and we're going to go and mark off 50 millimeters on each of them lines we've projected back. As I said, some of them actually won't even need to be marked. As you can see, the last two there are going to be hidden behind the front of the object, so we don't need to actually mark them any further. Once you've got them all marked, you're just going to come along. It's always best practice to go over them in construction again, just to make sure you've got all the points correct. Joining up all the dots. And then the top of this shelf here, we're not actually going to see because it ends up getting hidden behind the object. So we're just going to draw what's in sight. We have to draw these lines as well. Drawing in any of the corners, make sure and give them an outline. And the very last one here is just the left hand edge of the bookend. Just going to project that in as well, and it's as simple as that. We better not forget the books themselves. Okay, once you've gone over it all in your construction lines and make sure it looks okay, you can actually grab your H pencil and go over it then in a heavy outline. Okay, and that is the drawing complete.